Wait 1 second. Before we do anything inside any computer, you need to ground yourself. The processor, the motherboard, the RAM can all be affected by static electricity, and by grounding yourself, you eliminate static electricity. The easiest way to do that is with a wrist strap. You put the strap around your wrist, you plug the other end probably into the center screw of a grounded wall outlet, and that'll drain all the static electricity out of your body. Another way would be to work on a grounded surface, but be sure that there's no static electricity in your body before you touch anything critical like the CPU chip or the motherboard.